Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to change Facebook password easily. So let's begin. So here we are in Facebook app in our phone, and from here we're gonna tap here just under the messenger icon, tap on these three horizontal bars, and from here tap on settings and privacy and tap on settings. And from here you wanna tap on Meta Account Center, and now you wanna tap on password and security, tap on it, and from here tap on change password. And select the Facebook account right here because Facebook is what you want to change past, but if you want Instagram, you can also do that. And from here, you can change your password. So first, provide your current password and then your new password and retype the new password. So first, let's fill this up right here. So now once you're done filling up your current password and your new password, then all you have to do left is basically just press change password right here. So tap on it. And then the next thing is that, as you can see at the bottom, you change your Facebook password successfully right there. So that's all for this video.
If you found this
Thank you
video
for watching.
helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.